Today we're diving into a topic that's super important but can feel a bit daunting: building credit from scratch. If you're starting with no credit history, don't worry. We've got you covered with actionable steps to kickstart your credit journey. Let's get into it. So, why is good credit so crucial? Well, without a credit history, it can be tough to get loan approvals and be accepted for rental applications. When you get started, you'll have a blank slate. No credit score initially, but that's okay. As you build credit, a score will develop based on your financial behavior. One way to begin is by applying for a secured credit card. This requires a deposit, which becomes your credit limit. Use it responsibly, and you'll start building a positive history. Another option? Become an authorized user on someone else's account. Their good credit habits can boost your score too. Or try applying for a store card. These are often easier to get and can help you establish credit, though they may have higher interest rates. You can also consider credit builder loans. These let you make payments before receiving the loan amount, which helps build your credit over time. If you have a reliable friend or family member, you can also ask them to co-sign on a loan or credit application. Just be sure you both understand the responsibilities involved. And if you're a student, don't worry, you're not left out. Look into student credit cards or loans designed for those with limited credit history. Lastly, make sure your rental payments and other bills are reported to credit bureaus. This can boost your credit by showing a history of on-time payments. Remember, building credit takes time and consistency. Stay patient, make on-time payments, and keep an eye on your credit reports. With AI-powered tools like Dovely AI, you're just a few steps away from getting started on your credit-building journey. Visit dovely.com to get enrolled and start bettering your financial health today.